Zortaco 15. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about starting an online store in 2025, you've probably hit the big question: Shopify or WooCommerce? It's the classic showdown, and trust me, the platform you choose can make or break your business. 00 1500 30. In this video, we're going deep. We're not just scratching the surface. We'll break down everything you need to know: ease of use, pricing, features, scalability, to help you make the best decision for your specific needs. By the end, you'll know exactly which platform is your perfect match. Let's get started. 031. First up, let's talk about the fundamental difference. Think of it like this. Shopify is like leasing a fully equipped, ready-to-go storefront in a premium mall. Everything is handled for you, from security to maintenance. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is like buying a plot of land and building your store from the ground up. You have total freedom, but you're also the builder, the plumber, and the security guard. 1 to 30. Shopify is a hosted, all-in-one solution. You sign up, pick a plan, and you're pretty much ready to start adding products. They handle the hosting, the security certificates, and all the technical heavy lifting. WooCommerce is a free, open-source plugin for WordPress. This means you first need a website built on WordPress. Org, which requires you to buy your own hosting and domain name, 130-215. So, let's dive into the first major category: ease of use. This is where Shopify really shines, especially for beginners. The setup process is incredibly straightforward. Their dashboard is clean, intuitive, and guides you through every step: adding products, setting up payments, designing your store. You don't need to know a single line of code to launch a beautiful, functional store in just a few hours. 2:15-2:45. WooCommerce has a steeper learning curve. Since it's part of WordPress, you need to be comfortable with the WordPress dashboard first. Then you have to install the WooCommerce plugin, find and install a compatible theme, and configure settings for shipping, taxes, and payments. It's not impossible by any means, but it definitely requires more technical confidence and a willingness to tinker. 2:45-3:15. If your top priority is getting your store online as quickly and easily as possible, with minimal technical headaches, Shopify is the clear winner here. But if you love having control and are familiar with WordPress, WooCommerce offers a rewarding experience. 3:15-3:45. Next up, the big one: pricing. This is where things get interesting and a little more complex. At first glance, WooCommerce seems cheaper because the plugin itself is free. But remember, it's not really free. You have to pay for web hosting, which can range from a few dollars to hundreds per month depending on your traffic. You'll also need a domain name and potentially a premium theme or paid plugins for specific features. 3:45-4:30. These costs can add up. A good quality hosting plan might be $10 to $30 a month. A premium theme could be a one-time cost of $60. And if you need extensions for things like subscriptions or advanced shipping rules, those can cost anywhere from $50 to $200 each per year. Suddenly, free isn't so free anymore. It's a variable cost that grows with your store. 4:35-15. Shopify, on the other hand, uses a straightforward subscription model. Their plans typically start around $30 a month and go up from there. This fee includes top-tier hosting, an SSL certificate, and 24/7 support. The pricing is predictable. The main extra costs are transaction fees if you don't use Shopify payments, and the cost of premium themes or apps from their App Store, which functions similarly to WooCommerce's extensions. 5:15-5:45. So, which is cheaper? In the very beginning, a basic WooCommerce store on cheap hosting might cost less than Shopify's basic plan. However, as your store grows and you need more features and better performance, the costs of WooCommerce can easily surpass Shopify's fixed monthly fee. Shopify offers predictability. WooCommerce offers a lower entry cost, but with potentially higher variable expenses down the line. 545, 630. Now let's talk about design and customization. Both platforms offer a ton of flexibility. WooCommerce, being built on WordPress, gives you virtually unlimited control. If you can dream it, you can probably build it with WooCommerce, especially if you have coding skills or hire a developer. You can customize every single aspect of your store. There are thousands of WordPress themes compatible with WooCommerce, both free and paid. 637. Shopify also has a great selection of themes in its theme store. They have a solid range of beautiful, mobile-responsive free themes to get you started, plus a wide variety of premium themes. While its customization is powerful through its theme editor, it is more structured and controlled than WooCommerce. You can't just go in and edit the core files in the same way. It's a walled garden, but it's a very beautiful and functional one. 730. For most users, Shopify's customization options are more than enough to create a unique and professional-looking brand. For developers or business owners with very specific, complex design needs, the limitless freedom of WooCommerce might be more appealing. 738. Okay, let's move on to features and plugins, or apps, as Shopify calls them. Both platforms have a massive ecosystem of add-ons to extend their functionality. WooCommerce, being open source, has a vast library of thousands of plugins for everything from SEO to payment gateways to dropshipping integrations. Many are free, but the most powerful ones are typically premium. 830. The Shopify App Store is also huge and very well curated. You can find an app for almost any feature you can imagine. Email marketing, loyalty programs, advanced analytics, you name it. The quality of apps in the Shopify store is generally very high because they have a strict review process. Most of these apps come with a monthly subscription fee, which can add to your operating costs. 839 crores. This is pretty much a tie. Both platforms can be extended to do almost anything you need. The main difference is the payment model. WooCommerce extensions are often a one-time or yearly purchase, while Shopify apps are usually a recurring monthly fee. 930. What about scalability? Can your chosen platform grow with your business? Absolutely, for both. WooCommerce can be incredibly scalable, but the responsibility is on you. As your traffic increases, you'll need to upgrade your hosting plan to handle the load. You're in charge of optimizing your site for speed and performance. Major brands use WooCommerce, so it can definitely handle high volume, but it requires active management. 93010. Shopify is built to scale from day one. Since they manage the hosting, you don't have to worry about your site crashing during a Black Friday sale. Their infrastructure is designed to handle huge traffic spikes without you lifting a finger. If you're planning for rapid growth and want to focus on marketing and sales instead of server management, Shopify provides incredible peace of mind. Brands like Gymshark and Allbirds started on Shopify and grew into massive global enterprises. 10 or 1045. So let's bring it all together. Which one is right for you? It really boils down to your priorities, your budget, and your technical skills. Choose Shopify if you're a beginner and want the easiest, fastest way to get online. You value simplicity and predictability in your monthly costs. You want rock-solid security, hosting, and support handled for you, so you can focus 100% on growing your business. 10451115. Choose WooCommerce. If you're already familiar with WordPress or you're willing to learn, you want absolute control and complete customization over every aspect of your store. You're on a very tight initial budget and are comfortable managing your own hosting, security, and maintenance. Or, if you primarily have a content-focused blog and want to add e-commerce functionality seamlessly. 11:15-11:45. There is no single best platform, only the one that's best for you and your vision. I hope this detailed breakdown has cleared things up and made your decision a little easier. Both are fantastic tools that have empowered millions of entrepreneurs to build their dreams online. Take a moment to think about what you value most. Is it ease and speed, or is it total control and customization? 11:45:12. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss our future guides. Have a question or want to share your experience with Shopify or WooCommerce? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.